First and latest time ko na-meet siya was sa kasal nila. Guys, fake news pala guys. Nag-meet pala kami last October 2024. Guys, look. She knows how to bless. Bless. Look at this cat, so chunky. Bye-bye! Yan guys, susundo na tayo ni Ferlin. Ay! Okay lang if you check us sa vlog.
Vlog. Ipa-picture tayo na papunta na tayo.
Chiching!
May masan tayo.
Ayos guys,
Vlogger ka pala eh.
Service. Well, last time kong na guys, kwento ko lang. Last time kong na-meet si Ferlin. First and last time. First and latest time ko na-meet siya was sa kasal nila. At ako yung yun ata, okay lang. Yan yung best man ako ng wedding ni Matt. Tapos dahil sa akin, ang gaganda ng speech nila. Yeah. Kasi nag-speech ako kay Matt sa kasal nila pero sobrang pangit. So bloopers yun.
It was actually good. Sayang na
walang presentation. Yeah. But it's okay. As long as they stay loving and happy together.
Ikaw naman yung next.
Sana. Pagdasal nyo guys, pagdasal nyo. Kayo 81 kayo lahat. 81 kayo lahat. Subscribers. Wala, mga guys. Mga guys. Nestorians.
Oh, I like that. Mga Nestorians. Oh, that's good.
40 nun, family ko. Church. Tapos yung mga ibang 40 na nalito. Sino to? Na-misclick lang. Sige guys, love ko rin kayo. Chiching, sige, update ko kayo. Guys, fake news pala guys. Nag-meet pala kami last
October 2024.
October 2024.
After 2022, 2024.
Oh, 2 years.
In Vegas.
Oo, tama. Shout out kay Jacqueline at saka kay Rainier. Kasi kinasal sila. Oo, tapos anong tawag doon?
He slept at
I slept at their house. Bahay ng in-laws nila. Oh. Tapos kinakakarga ko pa yung firstborn nila, si Melina.
I forgot.
Dang. Guys, sorry, medyo ang dami na kasing nangyari eh. 'Di ba? May World War na bagong presidente na.
Just
Dami na. Oo.
Factual.
Sige. Ano na? Ano ko na lang kung may clips ako nun, pero gandang nun. Shout out kay Jack at Rainier. Nanonood sila sa vlog ko. Isang episode lang pala 'yun. Ewan ko kung nanonood ba sila. Marami na. Siguro mga nasa almost 20 episodes na siguro.
Just like lifestyle and
yeah, yung ganap ko. Usually yung goal ko kasi hindi ako masyado yung mga fast-paced.
Right.
Gusto ko yung mga at least 30 minutes, yung parang may pace, yung pace ko talaga. Kasi reality is it's not like, clips. Gusto ko yung hindi yung dopamine hit.
Yeah, it's like talaga.
Sabi ko nga sa tita ko, sabi niya, "Duy, ang slow ng pace mo," sabi ko.
But it's like yung parang daily
the rawness. Kasi sabi ko, tita,
how you go about your life.
Yung ganun. Like my goal is parang ma-ignore mo ako kahit nagtutupi ka,
you're still there.
Yeah. Parang kasama. Like, kunwari, mawala ako sa metro. Like, I'm not gonna cut it out kasi nga, that's reality. So, next natin na travel. Saan ba next natin travel? Turkey. Punta tayo Turkey. Ay, sorry, hindi ko pala sana sabihin sa inyo. Hindi, alam na nila. Sige, chika muna kami. Ano to? Downtown DC?
Yeah, something like that.
Or business district? Potomac River?
Part of like DC.
Yan yung Potomac River, guys. Naririnig ko lang to sa mga action movies. Diyan nahulog yung sa Avengers na
What?
Yung si Hulk ata yung spaceship din. Yung red din, di ba dito?
The Red Hulk?
Oo, di ba dito yun? Yung wala ba akong magnet? Maryland. Guys, yun tayo sa bahay nila, Matt. Look. This baby Melina. Hi, Melina. Hi. She's so cute. She's watching Frozen. And this is baby Matthew. Hi, baby Matthew. Ano ko to? Kinarga ko to. I don't know if she remembers me. Si Munchkin. Guys, they like Bluey, guys. Siguro, sana bumili ako ng Bluey. Hi! Nakita ko yung picture sa kanya. Tapos she was just like...
She'll warm up later. Elena, come on. Do you want to see Daddy?
Nasa labas na siya?
Maybe. It takes a while.
She says hi. Guys, look. She knows how to bless. Bless. Guys, pag may anak na ako, guys, mag-ano tayo? Magturo natin sa mag-bless. I think that's one of the traditions I really want to teach.
I mean, yeah.
But I was kind of surprised when a lot of Filipinos kiss, like just kiss, like growing up. Yung ano lang, Kasi sa amin mano po eh. Na-miss ko yan eh. Kasi alam mo yung maganda sa mano po. So Melina, so when you're older, like when you're about to like go out, and then they don't want you to stay late, parang pag magmano po na, hindi ka nila papakawalan. Like, uy, huwag kang late ha, umuwi. That's what my grandpa does to me. Yeah, like, ayaw bitawan, yung ganyan. Guys, dyan na si Matt, guys. Say hi to the vlog. Miss you, bro. Miss you, bro. Guys, ako pala yung best man ni Matt na pinapangit yung speech. Kwento ko sa kanila yun. Ano?
Welcome to Maryland.
Welcome to Maryland. Let's go! Yeah, guys, thank you tayo sa kanya kasi thank you tayo mga 80 of us, 81 of us for letting us stay dito sa bahay nila. Yeah. Happy family. Ang cute na mga anak nila. Na-meet ko sila. Yeah, Melina. Laki niya. Binigyan ko siya ng Snorlax na stuff to. Hindi niya kilala. Sabi ko, your dad will appreciate this. Itay sana.
Oh, Gabby.
Hi!
Mister, my best friend, he was the best man in our wedding.
Okay, I'm gonna make the speech now. I'm gonna repeat the speech. Guys, we have crispy pata. We have pancit over here. Just believe me. What is pancit? And then what is this? Oh, bistek. You guys know what bistek is. And then the ghetto chicken that he said. Yeah. Bawal.
He's a blogger, so you know.
Yeah. Hi to my 81 followers. This is how we do it in Maryland. Oh, I've never actually seen this. Yeah.
Sabor original?
Yeah. Guys, only in America.
I've never seen
Line of diabetes. No, but
it's in Spanish though.
Where'd you get that?
That's so weird.
Lottie.
Oh my god.
Hello. Baby Matthew. How are your pressure? No, just kidding. Your dad mentioned it to us. You're so big na. I saw you on Facebook. You were just this big. Like literally.
Melina, please.
How many months na siya?
6.
Time flies so fast.
Melina.
Anong birthday niya?
August 8.
August 8? Swerte.
Huh?
8. Swerte yan. Yeah.
Oh, Nino ka, di ba?
Nino ako.
Sa vlog.
8. Sige, Nino ako.
Can you be my Ninong? Wala pa siyang Ninong.
You know what's Ninong's first gift to you? Diapers. Diapers ba binigay ko? Diapers.
Ay, was it? Yeah.
Or wipes.
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 Yeah, we haven't bought any in a while.
Okay,
because
let
we
me know.
have a lot of
Let me
stuff.
know if ano. Tas
Everybody bought wipes.
pag malaki na wipes wala kami lahat, guys. Walang diaper, puro wipes.
We had like 5 months worth of wipes.
So wipes na lang isuot dito. Sorry. Bilang kita ng Bluey.
Melina.
Favorite ng Bluey. Bluey yung generation niya.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Uy.
Oh no.
Are you pooping?
He doesn't know you.
Mm.
It's like,
No, bless. Bless. Look at this cat. So chunky. Ano pangalan niya? Haru.
Spring.
Haru. It's me.
Gago.
Laki niya, no?
Yeah, he's fat. We're trying to put him on a diet, but he keeps eating Munchkin's food.
Really? Solid foods?
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Eee!
Matthew shark, Matthew shark, Matthew shark, Matthew shark.
Eee! Ito little artist natin, oh. Hi!
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making space.
Painting! What is that? A cupcake.
Wow.
Cupcake. Do you like cupcakes?
Yes.
Yes. Pilipino talaga, yes. Joke lang.
Uy, uy, uy.
Sabihin mo, huwag mo akong pagtawanan, tito. Ay, wala na.
Kimba.
Munchkin.
Guess the characters.
Mm. Ha?
Matthew is?
Matthew is busog.
Nothing is in there.
Matthew is in there.
Oh.
Hi guys, wine night. Eee. Uy, si Hyro may vlog.
I vlog. I vlog. Dinosaurs.
Hyro may 81 followers.
Ano pangalan ng
Ayan si Baby Matthew, guys. Look, this Jollibee. Kitty. What's up, guys? Good morning. Dito tayo sa where are we? Oh, Gaithersburg, Maryland. Medyo gloomy din ulit. Sabi daw nila the weather is 49 right now. Tapos sabi nila pinakamainit na daw to. Sana all. Tapos kakain kami, magbabrunch kami dyan sa Barking Mad Cafe. So excited na ako kumain with the little tykes. Dito kami sa parang affluent area nila. Ito siya, parang siyang domain, guys. As you can see. May mga residential tapos commercial sa baba. Hi, Melina. Ano din na si Bingo din yung ano niya. Companion. Bingo. Guys, ano si Jollibee, guys?
Spectrum? Ang lugar ba? Spectrum ang lugar.
Spectrum pala yung name ng lugar, guys. Akala ko Spectrum yung ano, yung bata. I mean, yung Spectrum pala yung lugar, guys. Spectrum yung lugar. Yung the whole compound is Spectrum or the neighborhood. Parang ganun. Cute ni Matthew. Chill ka lang, Matthew. Wala na yung pula-pula niya, Mat, no? Contact ano lang siguro yun. Barking Mad! Let's go! And guys, yun yung food namin. Got the Eggs Benedict crab cakes. We got the Gaithersburg pizza. And pancakes from Mating. And chicken and waffles. Tapos, ano ito, Mat?
All American.
All-American breakfast. Saan to galing? Amerika to lahat?
All American, baby.
Kain na tayo, guys. Review ko lang mamaya yung food. Ay!
Minus!
Erlyn! Aba!
Or gusto mo ikaw na?
Bye-bye! Guys, sinyan tayo sa airport. Wait na lang tayo mag-board. Update ko kayo. Punta na tayo ng Austin. So, again, update ka lang. Hi guys, good morning. Nakabalik na pala tayo sa Austin. Dito sa ating apartment. Medyo gloomy sa labas. But anyways, kwento ko sa inyo anong nangyari kagabi. So, nakabalik tayo mga around 8:50. Maaga yung flight natin na nag-arrive dito sa Austin, sa airport. And then, di ba, iniwan natin yung kotse natin sa kina Shannon, yung coworker ko. And yun, tapos parang nakatulog pala siya. When I got there, nag-text ako, nag-call. I waited for like 2 hours, almost 2 hours. Tapos sobrang lamig sa labas ako. Wala yung key kung saan niya sabi na iiwan niya. Nakalimutan niya. So, I was just watching anime sa labas. Nag-doorbell ako. Walang sumasagot. Tulog sila lahat. Kahit family nila. Even the dogs didn't bark. Pero yun, parang mga halos 2 hours ako nakahintay dun. And yun nga, parang malulubat na ako. So, I decided na nag-Uber na lang. Tapos iniwan ko yung kotse ko sa kanila. And nag-alala ako kasi baka may nangyari sa kanila or ganun. Pero yun, as I ended up just heading home. Buti na lang na nasa akin yung apartment key ko. Kasi usually, ginagawa ko, iniiwan ko yung apartment key ko sa glove compartment. Tapos pag iniiwan ko yung kotse sa kanila. And then, somehow, nung pag-alis natin last week, parang naisip ko na maybe I should bring my apartment key just in case, right? So yun, God, thank you God. Feeling ko si Lord yun na sabi na, just bring it just in case. Pero, although stressful siya, kasi pagod ako and stuff like that, somehow we got through. May nabasa ako a libro. It's a book by a former Navy SEAL. I forget. The title is Master the Uncertainty. Parang ganun. I-link ko na lang or ilagay dito. We are expected to be at our peak performance every time, and that is very unrealistic. But what is wonderful is how we respond or react to at times of uncertainty. Tas yun nga, yesterday parang that was very unexpected kasi di ba dapat lang dating tayo doon, drop ko yung keys, and then boom, uwi, di ba? Tas nagkintay pa ako, ganun. And so I just gave them grace. I gave myself grace because I know I've gone through worse. Ano lang man yun, hintay-hintay lang naman din, di ba? And then Shannon texted me sa umaga. Tapos, she was like, OMG, nakatulog ako. Like, I fell asleep and stuff and I didn't wake up and whatever. And tapos yung phone niya parang silent. May tumatawag.